I'm not wearing this face cap for this video. I'm just wearing this face cap because I knew I was going to enter the sun before I get to this closure where there is no sun for me to shoot my video. So it is very important that anytime you are getting into the sun, whether you are fair or you are dark, sunburn doesn't want to know your complexion. It is going to burn you, especially on your face, or if you are wearing a cloth that is not covered. So first thing, you must protect your skin. This period, if you are in Nigeria, this is our dry season and the sun is very hot. As you can see from the clip, it is so hot every morning, every afternoon till in the evening. So please, this season is not the time to show your skin. If you are stepping out, make sure you wear a cover to at least to your arm, okay? If not, you are going to be burned. Like this happened to me last week, or last 2 weeks, not up to 2 weeks now. I was doing something, actually a chore. I was sweeping the whole compound and doing everything, and by the time I got into my room, my body had demarcated into two. Like, I got a serious suntan. So we're going to be talking about how to treat sunburn, how to prevent sunburn, and also sunscreens, affordable sunscreens that you can get with their prices. So I got a list of sunscreens with their prices that you can pick from. Okay, these sunscreens are highly recommended. They don't leave white cast and they don't break you out and all of that. So we're going to be talking about this in sections, but we're going to start from how to treat sunburn. But before then, please like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's totally free, okay? And then thank you. If you are seeing my face for the first time, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. All right, so there are 4 options I'm going to give you for treating your sunburn. The first one is aloe vera, which you already know. Okay, aloe vera is very good. It is soothing, it is calming, and it's also moisturizing. Okay, because when the sun hits your skin, it burns it, it dries it up, it dehydrates that part of your skin. So that part of the skin, what it needs is hydration, it needs moisturization, it needs replenishing, it needs nourishing, okay, and it needs soothing, most importantly, because it's a burn. Okay, just take it like hot water poured you on your skin. You don't need to use anything harsh on that place. All you need is something cold, you know, cold towel, cold things, ice, just to cool that place down. Okay, so that is what your sunburn needs. It needs cooling. So that is why aloe vera is the first prescription you would always get. So you can either get the store-bought own or the fresh aloe vera. Whichever one you get is cool. Okay, so for aloe vera, how you're going to use it is, for the store-bought own, you, after washing your face, having your bath, to start your skincare routine, you take a little bit of the aloe gel and apply to the place, to the affected area. If it's got your eye area, apply there. It doesn't do anything, it's calm. Okay, apply it to your eye area, apply those places that are affected by the sunburn, allow it to dry, and then go ahead with your moisturizing routine, like with your face routine. Okay, but one thing I would like to point out is, during the treatment of your sunburn, please stay away from lightening face cream, especially in the daytime. Especially in the daytime, if you are using any face cream that contains kojic acid, glutathione, hydroquinone, alpha arbutin, all those very potent lightening ingredients, please keep that face cream first and go and get a hydrating and moisturizing face cream. Okay, get a normal plain face cream, something like this ones I'm putting here. I don't want to be calling the names, okay, so be fast. Then secondly, if you want to use the fresh one, if you want to use the fresh aloe gel, that one you don't have to leave it on your skin, because sometimes it can irritate your skin for some people. Okay, you get the fruits or you get the leaf, wash it thoroughly, cut it, and apply the gel on your face, or you can just apply it on that area. Okay, allow it to sit for 30 to 45 minutes and wash it out. You can do this every day for like a week. It is going to heal up. Okay, sometimes the fresh one is even faster than the store-bought one. But one tip I would like to drop is, before you use these things, if you have the opportunity, you can put it inside a freezer or a fridge, let it cool up. Okay, let it be cold, then you use it. That chilling feel, that cold feel, will help your skin to heal up faster. Okay, so the next product I want to recommend for you is calamine lotion. Okay, so if you're a parent, you're already familiar with calamine lotion. Calamine lotion is a lotion used on babies when they have rashes, diaper rash, heat rash, burn, and all of, like, bite and all of that. It helps to, you know, soothe the skin. It's very cooling, and you know, it helps to heal every skin irritation. So calamine lotion also can be used for your sunburn. Okay, but that one you have to like use it at night, because you can't apply it and go out here. So you use it, apply it on your face after washing your face, and just sleep with it, just like you apply it on your baby. So over days, you are going to notice that that place is healing up. So the third on my list is hydrocortisone cream, 1%. This tube here, okay, it's a tube. It is called hydrocortisone cream. Okay, it's also recommended for itching, for rashes, for skin irritations. It can also be used for sunburn, so you just apply it morning and night at the affected area. So this works like really fast. In like 3 to 5 days you should see results on your sunburn. Okay, like it should be healing. All right, so the next on my list, or the next one will be a bonus. The last on my list is niacinamide serum. Okay, niacinamide serum also works for sunburn. So if you already have niacinamide serum, just keep on using it, or if you need to buy, get a niacinamide serum and use it. It helps to cool that place. It has soothing and healing properties in it that will help to heal your sunburn, and it's also going to help in brightening that dark effect you are seeing on your skin. So for those of you that might want to combine if you want to combine, you want sharp results here, so you can combine niacinamide serum and aloe vera gel. So after you first go in with your niacinamide serum, depending on the consistency on the serum you get, because you layer products based on their consistency. So if your niacinamide serum is more runny than your aloe vera gel, then you go in with your niacinamide serum first, then you follow up with your aloe vera gel. Okay, but if your aloe vera gel is, so you get the point, anyone that is thicker, you apply it second. So it's either aloe vera gel first, then niacinamide, or niacinamide first, then aloe vera gel. Okay, just make sure that one is niacinamide should be all over your face, that is your facial serum, then aloe vera gel should be targeted at that spot. So it's like a double treatment, and you are going to see results faster with that. Okay, so the bonus tip I would want to give is that this place I'm currently in the eastern part of Nigeria. There is this thing called Bon. At the point of editing this video, if I get the picture, I'm going to put it. So if you're in Nigeria, you can just check your local chemist store, chemist shop or something, just ask them for Bon. Okay, it's usually in a small cup. I hope I get the picture, so I attach it. It's called Bon. It's sold for like 400 naira or 500 naira. Okay, this one here, somebody here like close to me used it. Like the sunburn was so big on her face and all of that. She applied it for a few days. Like she applied it in the night, and the next day we could see a very visible result, and in 2 days her whole face was clear. Okay, so I'm going to try to get it before I post this video, so I put the picture. So Bon usually is used for children, for diaper rash, for injury, especially injury. Helps to heal injury. Okay, so just like I said, sunburn is like an injury. You just take it like where hot water poured on your skin. It's an injury, so anything that is going to heal an injury is going to heal your sunburn. So this particular Bon is like the last one I saw someone very close to me use, and the result was very fast. So if you're in Nigeria, just go to any chemist shop. Okay, that's what we call it. Go to any chemist shop and ask them for Bon. Okay, they are going to give you. All right. So quickly, before we go to the sunscreens and their prices, I want to talk about prevention. Now, when we say prevention, or when I say prevention, I don't mean someone that doesn't have it. Even you watching this video that you already have sunburn, please put these things into practice. Aside from using your sunscreen, number one, if you are going out in the sun, please wear your face cap. This season here in Nigeria, if you're watching from Nigeria or wherever you're watching from, everybody has this season where the sun is really out. Here in Nigeria, it is dry season. We're in dry season and the sun is really hot, especially if you are in the northern part of Nigeria. Please get a face cap. Get a there are different sizes of the front. I'm going to put in pictures of what I'm describing. Get a face cap that has a very big cover, and when you wear your face cap, draw it down. Okay, don't go and hang it. Draw it down. Make sure when you enter the sun, your eye level is covered, like from here to this place. Make sure sun is not touching you from this part of your face to here. Make sure the sun is not hitting you directly, because this is the most sensitive part of our face. Okay, so make sure you're always anytime you're heading out, make sure you're always on your face cap. If you don't have a face cap, make sure you go out with your umbrella. Here, if someone is going out with umbrella under the sun, people used to yap the person, like the person to do like you are forming. Don't listen to people, please. If you are going out, if you have umbrella, go out with your umbrella, even with your shade. The next thing you can also go out with is your shade. Get a very big sun shade, big one that will cover your face very well. So you can even wear, some people wear their face cap, wear a shade and still carry umbrella. When you see those people, don't laugh at them. They know what they are doing. They don't want to get their skin burnt. Okay, so even with your sunscreen, because there are some places you will go to, you won't have the time or opportunity or the freedom to come and start reapplying sunscreen after 3 hours, after 4 hours. Do you get? So make sure if you're stepping out, you know that the weather is sunny, go out with a face cap, go out with your shade, or at least with an umbrella. Any of these, the sun is going to hit you, but the heat will not be much on your skin. Okay, yeah, the heat will not be much on your skin. So please make sure you put all this into measure, whether you already have sunburn or you don't. So while you are treating your sunburn, you're not going around in circles. You're trying to treat and then the thing is still happening again. It's going to prolong your process. So now the last thing obviously is to use a sunscreen. Okay, use a sunscreen, especially if you are an outdoor person. Sunscreen this period is not negotiable. You need to get a sunscreen. That is why I have taken my time to get affordable sunscreens for you. So even if you're on a budget, you can still get sunscreen of like 4,500 or something like that. All right, so now over to sunscreens and their prices. So the first on my list here is the COSRX Aloe Soothing Sunscreen SPF 50. Okay, this one sells for 16,975 on Jumia. Okay, so this one is not on the affordable rate, this one is on the medium rate. Okay, so if you can afford this COSRX is a very nice brand. Their products are very nice and soothing on the skin. So the next one is the Dr. Rachel anti-aging sunscreen. Now this one sells for 4,700. Okay, this one is also good. It's not going to leave white cast on your skin and all of that. And this one is also available. You can easily see it around you. Okay, so mind you, all these prices are Jumia prices, so you can see these things even cheaper. Okay, close to you, in stores close to you. So this one is affordable. The one I would like to recommend to you is the Biore UV SPF 50. This one has a whole lot of good reviews. Okay, and it sells for 4,426. Like, it is the cheapest. Okay, this one right here is cheapest, and it has a whole lot. It has almost 100% positive reviews. Okay, so you can get this one. It's available on Jumia. I don't know about stores around you because it's not a Nigerian brand. Okay, so it is actually very good. Then the next on my list is the La Roche-Posay. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but this one also sells for 8,000 naira. It is an SPF 50. It sells for 8,000 naira. Okay, it's also within affordable. All right, then the next is Extending sunscreen. Jumia is selling it for 5,580, but I saw it like 2 days ago in my area here for 4,000 naira. Okay, so depending on where you are, it should be between 4,000, 5,000 naira. Okay, so the Estelin is also good. Estelin is a good brand. They are still upcoming, so their products are quite quality. Okay, so if you can get the Estelin, you should try it out. Okay, so the next on my list, which is actually my favorite on the medium range price, is the Hatomoji Milky Gel Sunscreen. Now this one is big. Okay, the container is big and it is going to last you. It is that sunscreen you are going to buy and you just move your mind from buying sunscreen the next month or the upper month. But this one sells for 22,000 naira. Okay, but if you can get it, it is super nice. I know a lot of people using Hatomoji sunscreen. It's actually very nice. It doesn't leave white cast. You can use it on your face, on your body, or something. Maybe as you are wearing a top like this, you can apply it on your hands if you want to go out in the sun, and it's going to help to protect your arm and your body and your face from the sun. Okay, so the next, which is the last on the medium rate, is the Misha Aqua sunscreen. Okay, this one is also an SPF 50 and it sells for 15,449. So let's say 15,005. This one is also very nice. A lot of positive reviews on it. It's for all skin types. It doesn't leave white cast, it doesn't break you out, and all of that. So any of these sunscreens you can lay your hands upon. For the affordable ones, you can either go for the Dr. Rachel Estelin or the Biore. So any of the three you can lay your hands upon. They are good. But if your budget is a bit open, I would suggest you get the Hatomoji or you get the COSRX. Although COSRX is a bit smaller, but the Hatomoji is very good. Okay, if you can lay your hands upon it, it is actually very nice if your budget is open. All right, so yeah, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching, and remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not, and I'm going to see you on these two videos right here. Let's continue our conversation.